scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Neutralizing acids with sodium hydroxide is a classic chemistry challenge that we can solve quickly by focusing on the total moles of hydrogen ions present. To neutralize any monoprotic acid, we must remember that 1 mole of base is required for every single mole of acid molecules, regardless of whether the acid is strong or weak. While pH values vary based on the strength of the acid, the total amount of base needed depends strictly on the initial concentration and the total volume of the acid sample. Sample 4 contains 2.0 millimoles of acid, which is the highest amount provided. This makes option D our final winner for this chemistry problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given and check steps for option D.